All right, hello everyone, and welcome back to the daily update for my 1000 days challenge. So, a great day to everyone, and let's get started. All right, so over here, actually done the usual, which is my daily update in terms of my market structure wise. Over you can see over here. So, not much change per se, and you can see that both S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq has been looking really bullish. And S&P has almost, if you have taken this trade previously, which I suggested back then, you have taken the first level of profit and the remainder you will trail it, say below the 20 exponential moving average and see how it goes. So that's one. In terms of investment opportunity wise, I'll look for further potential retracement to these 200 simple moving average, or I will also add a little bit at 50 simple moving average as well. So that's the idea behind it. And if you look into NASDAQ, it has once again made into all-time high. So if entered based on this continuation back to the bullish market structure, that is where we have entered, and now be in the trailing positive profit region as well. So on the other hand, I've actually added position for both ASHR and KWEB just I think yesterday or the day before, because there was a transition from the bearish market structure to the bullish market structure again. So you can see ASHR broke this bullish market structure. The minute it breaks this high is where we've entered. So previously, it didn't break this high, you don't enter. It didn't break this high, you don't enter. The minute it breaks this high is where I will enter. Similarly, for the KWEB, I enter when this was a high. This is a higher high. So this is when you potentially could have entered if you're aggressive. Or for me, I wanted for this to break this downslope trend line. And the minute it breaks it is where I enter for investment as well, especially when it's on the 20 exponential moving average. So this is my modified way of dollar cost averaging, whereby in addition to just dollar cost average on a monthly fixed day per se, for each of the month or each of the quarter, I tend to choose particular days whereby I see that there is a retracement or pullback to try and maximize it. Yep, so that's how I manage it right now. And lastly, for Bitcoin, which is the market I do swing trade. So for swing trade wise, you can see in terms of market structure like I've updated. One is a continuation back to the bullish market structure, which can be seen on the 4-hour chart. So over here, this was the continuation back to bullish market structure, along with support being established on the 50 simple moving average. That's where I went into the long. And it didn't hit my target here, even based on the price action you can see. So I'm still holding on to this position. If it does hit here, I will consider taking 50% of my position close and trail the remainder with 50 simple moving average. So bear in mind that why I say 50 instead of the 20 exponential moving average in this case is because you can see that the 50 simple moving average is being respected. And that is the thing you need to understand when you're using moving averages for your investment or even for trading purposes. So many different moving averages gets into play, which is the more common one. You get your 200, which is the most generic one, and is typically used to determine the main trend of the market. And then there's the 20 exponential moving average for fast trend, mainly for trading purposes. And then you get the 50, which helps to assist in determining the trend, because some people will take the positive trend only when price is above the 200 simple moving average, and that the 50 simple moving average itself is also above the 200 simple moving average. So those are different criteria whereby traders or investor can determine whether is it in a long-term bullish trend. That said, bear in mind that typically when you hear the financial news and stuff like that, the 200 simple moving average that they are referring to are on the daily chart, and that the 4-hour chart is mainly meant for trading purposes, not for investment purposes. That is what I would suggest. All right. So otherwise, that's the update. There's no changes in my position. I'm still stuck in this swing trade setup. And coming this weekend, I'm thinking of launching a day trading challenge for myself, because I've been doing swing trade for the past 1 year plus. And I'll be sharing more in terms of information of how I deal with my personal finance, who I am, and some of the background. And more importantly, I guess, I wouldn't be able to do videos for all of these topics that I mentioned about, but rather to say I will choose a topic which I think is relevant to you guys. And if you guys would like to hear any particular topic, be it in terms of my background, or be it in terms of how I swing trade, how I day trade, or how profitable I am, or how long have I been doing trading and stuff like that, feel free to drop down your comments below. Otherwise, have a great day, everyone. If you like this channel, just feel free to subscribe. Otherwise, thanks everyone, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.